This is just a super quick video just showing how to change the battery in one of these Mazda car keys. The key comes out when you push the little button in. This is your emergency opening key, and then the whole thing splits apart. And what you want is a soft plastic tool to do that. One of these little soft guitar picky type things is the best. This one is getting a bit broken up. I'll try this one. But you just need to get underneath it and then it pops out quite easily. As you go around, there we go. Comes out. It uses a CR25, which I believe I have here. And you just pop this out. Pop out the old battery. Put the new one in. Getting this O-ring in place and this in place properly is helpful. And just check that the light is lighting. Pop this back on. Put the key back, and there you are. Done. These things like to get pushed on in your pocket and just sit there pulsing, which runs the batteries down quite quickly. There we go. Light's a little brighter since I've got it pushed together properly now. Hopefully that's helpful to someone. Take care.